Hi everyone, Melissa here. Come on today with a My Creative Time project share. And I'm going to do things a little bit differently. I'll show you all of my products that I used at the end. And it's going to be pictures. Just let me know if you like this way better. Who knows, I might keep it on some days and some days maybe not. Okay, let's jump right in. Starting out, I used It's Cookie Season stamp and die set. And I mask off the cheeks off the stamp, and then I also used the Yummy from there, colored him up, and I used the cookie sheet tag dies, and I used the smallest one from there, as well as the snowball stitch frame dies, and I used the smallest one from there. And then I also used from her new release, I used the Fun Valentine paper, the 6x6 paper, as well as the cute heart frame dies, and those are the little hearts that I got out of there. And then the base die, it's from Bunch of Fun Circles, and so that's all the things that I used to create this card. I also put on some stars. It's kind of sparkling there, it's kind of changing color, but I really like how it turned out. I used the largest circle in the Bunch of Fun circle dies, and I used that there as well as in the inside of my tag, and I made a card base out of that largest layer. I like how it turned out. Make sure you check out the pictures at the end and visit my design team sisters, as well as check out all of the links that I have down below to My Creative Time, along with everything that I use. All right, thanks so much everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.